What's going on here? He's getting ready for the art show this weekend. Making all these tables. And this is electric art right here. This is how you burn wood. So it creates that effect. And see, these are all pieces that are put together just like a puzzle.
All right, Thomas, there's your one you can show them. There's the base.
There's the base. And I watched him make this. As soon as I walked in, from scratch to this was 30 minutes. And how much you sell this for?
This one will be $400.
$400. Wow. And of course you're going to stain it, right?
It will be stained. I've got some amber or ambrosia. Let's see. Oh, it's amber. This is a new product I'm trying because the spar urethane takes so long to dry.
Yeah, urethane, like always does. Yeah, coats. 48 hours for urethane.
Oh my gosh, this was like 6 coats on that one, and it just took so long. So I'd use this to do the edges, and then I'll paint the edges with wrought iron black paint, and the frame with wrought iron black, and then I'll do the stain finish on top.
And you got classes, you're starting to do instruction now, right?
Yep, the next one's October the 24th and 25th. The 24th is filled in. I got 2 openings left for the 25th. I only take 3 students per night, 2-hour class, $100 a person, and
that's for 2 hours, right?
Yes. So they get a chance to run small wire welders, the large shop welder, stick welding, stainless steel, flux core, and when they're done, they are ready to be done. You get about 5 minutes worth of safety, and then I put a welder in your hand, a helmet on your head, jackets, gloves, and you are welding. So you get immediate hands-on. And so right now, I've got several reviews on my YouTube channel about guys that took this, and they're really glad they did.
Tell all my subscribers what your YouTube channel is.
Welding by Riley Foster. Yep, and you guys go on there and check it out. There's I haven't videoed the students doing the welding. They might not appreciate that, but there is a review on the second video down. I think it's the classroom review or something. So.
Oh, in other words, in your comments, you got the link to your classroom.
Yeah. Yeah, so
okay.
Again, it looks like I may do a November class because October's already filled up.
Right.
So, and I wasn't going to because it's the end of the year, but you know, if people are still interested, and I'm not advertising, but in 2 places so far.
Yeah, you're just using flyers.
Yeah, and they're diving on it. So, nope, I got a customer coming up here.
And that's for all you people, how you doing? Good morning. Who want to get involved with Riley Foster's welding, you know, as far as training how to be a welder, because this guy's good. I mean, he makes all kinds of stuff. It's really cool. And he sells all his art too. I come out here just to watch him work, man. He's just got some incredible stuff. And this is cool. That is pretty cool, man. That's creative, to say the least. Wow. Okay. What's going on is we've been working at the hospital all weekend long. Today's Monday, and so I got a couple of days off. So I'm going to go up to the farm and start polishing on the boat and start doing some work on the boat. And try to get it in the water this weekend or this week sometime over at least Falls Lake. Try it out. That's close to my house, and just do a maiden run on it. That's the plan anyway. We'll see. But this is his other classroom. This is the building he got for free, but he had to, of course, pay to get it over here. And then he's got his welding shop itself, and where he does the actual instruction, porta potty, you know, so he's setting this up like a school, and he's just taking a limited number of people and training them how to weld. And the guy's he's an artist, man. He built all this himself. So cool as shit, man. That's all I can say, just cool as shit. And the weather is going to be absolutely gorgeous this weekend, man. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to take this opportunity to work on my stuff. And I'm still trying to get with the insurance company, collect the check for the van. I'll use that into another slush fund for some toys and some projects I want to get done. And see if I can get that whole process worked out with the insurance company, because they're online. They're an online insurance company, so they're a pain in the ass to deal with, man. That's all I can say, just a pain in the ass. But yeah, Riley Foster Welding setting up classes. Anybody local in the Mebane area that want to hook up with him, believe me, he's got the shop now, and he's got the experience. So, you know, this might be a good opportunity for you guys who want to learn some welding.
A little mess there.
Cool.
Yeah, that's the kind of welding you want. You don't have to grind, you don't have to clean, you just wire brush it, paint it. Over the years, I have discovered that the less I grind, the better I like it, because grinding is nasty.
Yep.
If you look at those welds, they look like caulk.
How about that?
That's what 40 years of experience will get you.
No shit, really? Is that what you're trying to tell me? 40 years of
That's right.
experience?
That's right.
Yeah. That's about the same experience I got when I work with wood. Now, that's the same kind of artistry as far as I'm concerned. That's right. But I don't have to have all this expensive equipment. But anyway, all right. Talk to you guys tonight. It's been a while since I've done a video. The numbers have been going way up in the last couple of weeks. Thank you very much for watching the channel. You know what to do. Subscribe, share, like, thumbs up, leave those comments as always. And remember, ring the bell for future notifications of a future video. I'm Tom. This is Riley Foster. We'll talk to you guys another day.
Have a great day.
Out of here.
Yeah, dude, when you can do those beads, if they're that small.
Say goodbye, Riley.
Goodbye, Riley.